say the balls are shifting. I don't mean the ones on CNN. I'm in north and south. They are flipping. Maybe I'm alarmist, but it sure feels like the end. If we're plunging in darkness, what I'll do, I don't own a shotgun, I've stockpiled no food. I can wander, navigate, I'm hopeless with maps. I'm wholly unprepared for societal collapse. But I will find you where you are, hitch a ride or steal a car. I will bike or jog or jump or break myself in two. When the streets run red with blood, turn the rivers to the flood, there is no dystopia that I won't walk on through. Cause if the world is ending, I'd prefer to be with you. I would prefer to be with you. I